So another online tool that I use all the time in my class is something called Padlet. So Padlet is basically just like kind of an easy way to make your own little kind of like a website about your class where students can get materials and things like that. And so you can use Padlet by going ahead and clicking on, or you go make a Padlet. You can have up to 3 Padlets, I believe, and you can share them with other people. Anyway, so I made this Padlet for my class. Basically what's on here is everything. This is our daily agenda. So the students can see, if they weren't here, what we did for the bell work, including the bell work presentation. They can see the unique assignments that we did. If they weren't here, they can even click on those and access them on Google Docs. It tells them what the homework is and when their tests are, and this is for all the time, every class period. You can post videos on here, you can post pictures on here, but my favorite thing to do is to go ahead and upload Google Docs, links to Google Docs. And so this is my field ecology bell work PowerPoint. And it has all the bell work from essentially the very first day of class. And it's live, so that's the cool thing. I don't have to continue to upload a PowerPoint. They're just already on here. And so all of our bell work assignments, if you go back to the Padlet, you can see their notes are on here. That's using Google Docs, and then even their assignments I put on here. So this eliminates essentially the sorry, that's my dog. This eliminates the late work binder, having to print out missing work and things like that, which I know a lot of us get very frustrated with. So that's all accessible here on the Padlet. And then again, the homework reminders and things like that. So that's the Padlet. It's totally customizable. I made this little Christmas theme in the back. You can, to add something new, you can just go ahead and plug in, write what we're doing for that day, things like that, upload pictures. So let's go back to the dashboard. The other thing is that I used bit.ly, which is basically a URL shortener, to make a quick URL that the kids can just go ahead and automatically go right on there. So if they miss class and they want to go, Miss, where's my work? What do I need to do for my work? I just say, go to the class website. It's bit.ly/lanefieldEco, and it takes them right to the Padlet that has everything that they need on it. And you can actually create a Padlet that is where everyone can join in and share. I haven't done this for my classes yet, but I know that you can. You can create one, and on the settings, let me see if I can do this. You can create one, and on the settings, you can next, make it public, and then you can say those with permission can write, can moderate. So if you want it to be, they can write, and then you can add all of their email addresses or their usernames. Then they can all write, discuss. This can be used as like a discussion board where they all put their own thoughts and ideas on there. So I love Padlet, super nice, and it's free up to 3 uses, which is, you would probably really only need 3 separate Padlets for the most part. So that's Padlet. I hope that's useful to you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.